2010 Mazda 3 hatchback. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas i4, 2.5 L152, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires front performance, tires rear performance, temporary spare tire, rear spoiler, fog lamps, power mirrors, integrated turn signal mirrors, intermittent wipers,